61 kilograms, round of 16. Kyrgyzstan, Jumashbek Уулу in the blue. And then Udit for India. Scoreless so far in the first 45 seconds. Still no score, minimal action here between Udit and Jumashbek Уулу. Udit now on the shot clock, 12 seconds remaining, or he'll surrender a point. Single leg Udit, heavy hips by Jumashbek Уулу. And the point goes up for Jumashbek Уулу on the passivity clock. .322 remaining and about 22 remaining in this period. First period in the books, minimal scoring there. 1-0 lead for Jumashbek Уулу as they head back to their corners for some words of advice. And underway here in the second period. Still 1-0 here on mat D. As Udit is on the clock once again. Not alternating the passivity time. Electing to put him on for the second time. The officials feel he's being too passive. As Jumashbek уулу has done a good job of controlling center and dictating much of the action. (2-0) now for Jumashbek уулу. 1:13 remaining. Underhook on the left side for Jumashbek уулу. Udit drops his hands to the mat, then recovers. .15 seconds to go here. It's go time for Udit. Trails, a takedown would put him in the lead, or any 2 points for that matter. 7 seconds, finds his way on the shot, double underhooks. Jumashbek уулу keeping his hips back well, and that is gonna do it. Jumashbek уулu into the quarters.